Okay, hello, magandang araw sa inyong lahat, mga estudyante, mga manonood, din po sa ating mga mag-aaral. Okay, so ang topic natin ngayon is all about the exponent. Okay, so exponent. So, ano nga ba ang exponent? At ito ba ay madali o mahirap? So, ang topic na to ay madali lang, pero may ilan pa rin ng mga estudyante na naguguluhan, So, pag-aralan natin, ito ba ay madali? Okay, sabi nga natin palagi, madali lang ang topic basta sinusundan natin yung proseso. Okay po? So, ano ba exponent? The exponent of a number shows how many times a number is multiplied by itself, where a is the base and 3 is the exponent. Okay, so may tayo dito. Okay, meron tayo dito isang letter or variable at may number sa taas. Okay, so dito sa itong tawag natin dito is a raised to 3. Okay, so a raised to 3, a raised to the power of 3, kung ano man po, a cube, so pwede yan. Okay, ang tawag natin sa A is base. Okay, so yun yung makikita sa ilalim. While 3, ito, 3 is the exponent. Okay, so ganun lang siya. Okay, so A is base, 3 is exponent. So ngayon, magbigay tayo ng ilang halimbawa. Okay, sabi pa nga dito, how many times the number is multiplied by itself. So ilang beses mo multiply si A sa sarili niya. So ilang beses? 3 beses. Okay, so halimbawa, x raised to 5. Okay, so x raised to 5, ano dito yung ating base? Yung x or yung 5? X, very good. Ano naman yung ating 5? That is called the exponent. Very good, okay? So next, ibig sabihin niyan, si x, i-multiply mo sa sarili niya ilang beses? 5. Okay, so very good. Next, we have here 3 squared. Okay, so 3 squared, okay, so tandaan nyo huwag nyo gagawin yung 3 squared is 3 times 2. Yun yung common mistake, pinag-multiply nila to. Mali po. Okay, so ibig sabihin nito, si 3, i-multiply mo sa sarili niya ilang beses? Base sa exponent. Ano exponent? 2. Okay, so 3 times 3, ayan. So si 3, multiply sa sarili niya ilang beses? 2. So 3 times 3, ilan? So we have napakalaking 9. Okay, so same here. Let us say we have 10 squared. So, what is 10 squared? So, yung 10, multiply mo sa sarili niya, 10 times 10. O, magkakaroon tayo ng dalawang 10. So, what is 10 times 10? That's 100. Okay? How about this one? Let us say we have 5 raised to 3. What will be the answer? So, 5, we're going to multiply 5 to itself thrice. So, we have 5 times 5 times 5. We have 125. Okay, so now let us proceed to the first law of exponent. So the first law of exponent is product of a power. Okay, so depende sa source ninyo kung ano man yung mauna sa kanila, pero meron niyang iba't ibang mga law. Okay, so first natin na ituturo ngayon is the product of a power. Ano ba yung product of a power? Meron niyang formula. Ito yung formula niya. Okay, or ang ibig sabihin ng product of a power. So let us say we have x raised to b, x raised to c. Okay, huwag niyo mabasahin na xb, xc. Okay, x raised to b, x raised to c. Okay, x raised to b multiplied by the quantity of x raised to c. Okay, so ano yung maging answer niya? So equals x, tandaan nyo kapag same base, okay, ipag-add lang yung kanilang exponent. Okay, so let us try to answer number 1. So we have 2 cubed or 2 raised to 3 times the quantity of 2 squared o 2 raised to 2. So same ang base. So, copy lang natin 2. Okay, parang ayon. Then, tignan ang exponent. Ipag-add. So, we have 3 plus 2. Okay. So, napakadali. Ipag-plus lang natin. So, 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. Para makuha ang sagot. Actually, okay na yan. Okay. Pero, i-multiply natin daw si 2 ilang beses? 5. So, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay. So, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 2, 32. Okay, so that is the answer for number 1. Okay, so next. So we have 5 cubed times the quantity of 5 squared. Same process. Okay, same ang base, parehas. So we have 5 raised to 3 plus 2. Okay, so 3 plus 2, that is 5. Okay, so you're going to multiply 5 to itself 5 times. 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So what will be the answer if we multiply 5 to itself 5 times? Okay, so try natin. 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Okay, thank you so much, Sofitech, So the answer will be ayun. So we have 3,125. Okay. So next, okay. Variable tayo, x raised to 8, x raised to 7. So x raised to 8 plus, same naman yung base niya. Okay, so plus 7. So x, 8 plus 7, we have 15. Okay. Next, number 4. So ganun din. So a raised to 4 plus 3. Well, what is a raised to 4 plus 3? So ano lang? What is 4 plus 3? Yes, square root of 49 or 7. Okay, so ganun lang yon, di ba? Madali. Okay, next. Ito, medyo may kasama na siya numerical, tapos mayroon pa tayong variable. Okay, so paano kaya gagawin natin? So, same process. So, same base. Okay, so 3 plus 2. Okay, then next, yung variable naman tayo. So, b 3 plus 2. Isamahin natin. So, we have 5. What is 3 plus 2? So, we have 5 ulit. B, ayun, add mo lang, 5. Okay, for the final answer, so alam na natin kanina yung 5 raised to 5. Okay, so we have 3,125. Then, copy na lang natin to kasi wala nang value si B. So, B, 5. Okay, so always remember, lagi na uuna yung ating numerical. Okay po. So, now, try to answer this one. Okay, pakipost na lang sa ating comment. Okay, thank you so much at isang magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Bye-bye.